I'm going to show you how to make this banging British Indian restaurant style keema curry.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You will need dried chillies, chilli powder, mixed curry powder, garlic and ginger paste, garam masala, chopped onions, fresh tomatoes, some cubed potatoes, yoghurt, tomato puree, base gravy, fresh coriander and some good quality lamb mince. Heat some ghee in a pan, then fry your finely chopped onions along with a couple of dried chillies, which is going to add a beautiful background heat and a good pinch of salt. Give this a good old mix, then cook over a medium heat for a few minutes. Once softened, add in some garlic and ginger paste, mixed curry powder, Kashmiri chilli powder. Now this is optional, feel free to leave it out if you don't like the chilli heat, and some chopped fresh tomatoes. Give that a good old stir, then cook for a further 5 minutes. This will allow the flavours and the spices to develop within the pan. You will find the full recipe for this down in the caption, along with all of the other recipes you will need to make this banging curry. This is looking beautiful already and it smells even better. If the mix starts to catch on the bottom of the pan, feel free to add in a little splash of water so it doesn't burn. Next, we're going to add in some yoghurt and the lamb mince. It's really important to get the best quality mince your budget will allow, as this will really make a difference to the curry. I usually make a trip to my butcher's every week to get my meat, and then I freeze it until it's needed. It's always great to plan your meals, as you will save money in the long run. Bring this up to an intense simmer. You want to see the fats starting to split from the rest of the ingredients before adding some cubed potatoes, the tomato puree which has been mixed with water, and my curry-based gravy. Now if you want the recipes for my mixed curry powder or the gravy, you can find them on my channel, so make sure you go and subscribe. Bring the curry back up to the simmer, then cover with a lid and cook gently for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked through. It's really important to cut the potatoes all the same size so you don't get left with larger pieces which are undercooked. In go the frozen peas. Now it's up to you if you defrost them first or just throw them into the pan, and a good handful of chopped coriander. Then just cook this until the peas warm through. Don't forget to check out my other British Indian restaurant style curries and takeaway recipes which will save you a fortune on ordering out. Make sure to go and like this video and hit that subscribe button. But trust me, this was bang!